In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen going black while gaming on Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video, or you have to do so. Go ahead to the search menu, type in Windows Update, and then after that, just click on the first option, which is the Open. Just click on it. After that, the Windows Update will open up for you. Just go ahead, click on Check for Updates. If there is any updates that you have to do, just click on Check for Updates, and then after that, when they pop up for you, just go ahead and click on Resize Computer for the updates to check place. And then after you do that, just go ahead to the next step, which is updating the graphic driver. Just right-click on the search menu, click on Device Manager, and then after that, the Device Manager will open up for you. And then just go ahead to Display Adapters. As you can see right now, just click on the arrow besides them. So just click on it to expand it. And then after that, right-click on the driver you want. Click on Update, then click on Browse, and then click Only Me Pick from the list of available drivers. Choose the driver you have, and then click on Next to install the driver again and to update it. And then after that, the driver will be updated. And then after the update happens, just go ahead to reinstall the driver. If you want, just click on Uninstall Driver. After that, just check mark this, and then click on Uninstall, and then resize your computer to reinstall it again. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.